Rational numbers, some extra questions we are going to do. Very first is find minus 14 by 9 multiply by 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 7 into 15 by 16. So we have to solve it out. First of all, what we have to do, we will remove the brackets here. So the very first step is we will remove the brackets. It will become minus 14 by 9 into 3 by 5 into minus 4 by 7 multiply by 15 by 16. Now we will do the cancellations. Let us start with 3 and 9. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Next will be 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. Now 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 5 and 15. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. Now this 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. This 3 can be cancelled out with 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now see, we have only 1 multiplied by 1 in the numerator. So it will become 1 divided by, in the denominator we got only 2. 2 multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1, multiplied by 1. That comes out to be 1 by 2. And negative multiplied by negative, that becomes positive. So our solution will be 1 by 2. After doing the cancellations, you can multiply the numerators and multiply the denominator as well to find the answer. Let us move to the next one. Find the 3 rational numbers between 3 by 7 and 2 by 3. So we have to find out the rational numbers in between both the numbers. First of all, let us make the numbers like fractions. Clear? To make them like fractions, so we have to take the LCM first. So LCM of 7 and 3. As we know, 7 and 3 both are co-prime. So the LCM of co-prime numbers will be the multiplication of the numbers. 7 threes are 21. So 21 will be the LCM. So let us make 3 by 7 with the denominator 21. So we will multiply it by 3 by 3. It will become 9 by 21. And next is 2 by 3. So we will multiply it by 7 by 7 to make the denominator 21. So it will become 14 by 21. Now we have the numbers 9 by 21 and 14 by 21. We have to write 3 rational numbers in between the numbers. So we can write it down. So rational numbers between 9 by 21 and 14 by 21 are, what will be it? 9 by 21 less than 10 by 21 less than 11 by 21 less than 12 by 21, 13 by 21 less than 14 by 21. So these are the rational numbers in between these two rational numbers. 10 by 21, 11 by 21, 12 by 21, 13 by 21. Next is the product of two rational numbers is given, that is minus 28 by 81. If one of them is minus 2 by 3, then find the other. We know the product of two numbers. Suppose P1 and P2 are the two numbers. The product of two numbers is given, that is suppose P, and one number is given here. One number is minus 2 by 3, so we have to find the other one. Suppose P2 we know and we want to find out P1. So to find out P1, what we have to do, we have to divide P by P2. So this way we will find it out. As we are doing the same in the numbers, so we will do the same in the rational numbers also. So first of all, we will write down the product, that is minus 28 by 81, one number, that is minus 2 by 3. So what will be the other number? The other number can be obtained by dividing the product with the first number. Now simply we have to divide it, and first of all we have to change this division sign first. To change the division sign, what we have to do? We have to take the reciprocal of the next number, that will be 3 by minus 2. Now do the cancellations. 2 ones are 2, 2 14s are 28, and 3 ones are 3, 3 27s are 81, and negative will be cancelled out with each other, because negative and negative, it becomes a positive. Now we will multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 14 ones are 14 and 27 ones are 27. So this is the other number that we have to find it out. 14 by 27. Next is verify that minus half plus minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 7 within bracket is equal to minus half plus 3 by 7 in within bracket plus minus 4 by 3. Now here we have to verify the associative property of addition. Associative property of addition. So first of all, we will solve the bracket in left hand side. Minus half will be as it is, plus now we will solve the bracket by taking the LCM. We know the LCM of 7 and 3 is 21. So it will become, the numerator will be, we will multiply numerator with 7 here, minus 28 plus, here we will multiply the numerator with 3. 3 3s are 9. Now plus minus minus, so 28 minus 9, that will become minus 19 by 21. Now again plus minus is minus, we will change the sign here, minus 19 by 21. Again we will take the LCM here. LCM will be 2 and 21, both are co-prime, so LCM will be the multiplication of it, that is 42. Now we will multiply this with 21 and this 19 with 2 here in the numerator. It will become minus 21 minus 19, 2s are 38. Now we will add both the numbers because both are having the same sign. If and both are having same sign, then we will add it up. It will become minus 59 by 42. So this is our left hand side. Now the same way we will solve the right hand side also. Let us solve the right hand side. Right hand side is saying, first of all we will take the LCM of this number. So minus half plus 3 by 7 within bracket plus minus minus. I am opening the bracket here. Now let us take the LCM. It will become minus 7 plus 3 2s are 6 divided by 14 minus 4 by 3. Now we will subtract, plus minus is minus, minus 1 by 14 minus 4 by 3. Now let us take the LCM of 14 and 3 because 14 and 3 both are co-prime, so its LCM will be the product of this. 14 3s are 42. Now this numerator will be multiplied by 3 and this numerator will be multiplied by 14. Minus 3 minus 14 4s are 56. So both are having same sign, so both will be added, minus 59 by 42. Now see, in left hand side we are getting minus 59 by 42 and in right hand side also we are getting minus 59 by 42. So hence we can write here left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that means it is verified. I hope you understand it.